Hello, Asheville City Schools. It's Dr. Patterson with your 60 Seconds with the Super. I am here today with Ms. Sullivan, our Asheville City Schools Teacher of the Year, and Ms. Proctor, Isaac Dixon Elementary Schools Instructional Assistant of the Year. And we would like to wish you a happy Teacher Appreciation Week. Thank you, teachers and staff, for all that you do.
Thank you so much. It's such an incredible honor to represent Isaac Dixon Elementary and Asheville City Schools. I am just beyond words and feeling overwhelmed because I work with such amazing people and students every day. So happy Teacher Appreciation Week. Every single one of you deserves all the goodness because we do a hard job, and it's also really rewarding. So hope you have a great week.
Thank you to Isaac Dixon Elementary School for this honor. I was so ecstatic to win this. It just warms my heart to see that my staff thinks this much of me, and I just truly appreciate it. And I'm sending my love out to all teachers and all staff from the Asheville City School system to say Happy Teacher Appreciation Week to each and every one of you.